I want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. October 21st, 2009, 4:43 p.m. Eastern. A little bit of a late day move in the dollar index and the euro and everything, and the stock market collapsing. Dick Beauvais. I'm going to start from most recent, but Richard Beauvais, putting a sell order at 3:20 p.m. Eastern on Wells Fargo, collapsing the stock market almost 20 handles on the S&P. Unbelievable. I do not believe that Dick Beauvais, an analyst who's been dead wrong, calling the tops on the banks for a while now, is now all of a sudden, has all this credibility. Meredith Whitney is another story. Dick Beauvais is not Meredith Whitney, so please. But certainly the stock market collapsed. And last I checked, the euro, when the S&Ps were down at that level, the euro was at 149.50. So, to me, we're going to look at the charts in a second, but obviously London, the big story, dead wrong on the pound. Again, people, hopefully, Mervyn King came out and said they're going to have to raise rates. I mean, obviously, the gilts exploded, yields exploded, and the pound broke the hell out. So I really hope that many of you did well, actually, on that. I didn't. Got killed today. But I'm not going against it now. I'm getting long. You got to be long the pound, baby. At least one more night. Maybe we get short, as the futures are probably going to be open down after Dick Beauvais' call, but I think we probably go higher. So anyway, look at this dollar index. Closing low. Looks terrible. I think we break and we probably rally. Maybe we break through 75 again, maybe 74.50. Euro looks like 151. We'll take a look at that in a second. Big numbers tonight, by the way. And I thought, again, the numbers that came out, CBI was terrible for London. Negative 51, I believe. The U.S. Beige Book was terrible, I thought. Really, commercial real estate, big problem. But oil, oil broke out. Let's take a look at those charts right now. Looking at gold. Gold held the line. It was down. It made a comeback. It was up in the morning, down, then up. Gold still looks like it's going higher. Oil, big move today in oil. Black gold. Hey, by the way, that oil, long oil, short gold trade is working out amazing that I brought to your attention a while back. But taking a look at this. Outside day candle, gone. Oil going up. S&Ps don't look very good. eBay also after the close was bad. So the futures might be negative, but just, we definitely had a divergence today, in my opinion. A definite divergence. And again, the futures, while they sold off sharply, I'm not convinced. I just think that when you look at the hourly chart, let's look at the hourly chart in the S&Ps. You look at this hourly chart, if it can ever come up. This 1078 level, big. You can't see it as much. I got to zoom out more. But, we're in this range. So, yeah, futures under 1070, it's going to look terrible. But I don't know how much they're going to be down. This daily chart, no top. I mean, I would love to see the futures up big. I thought we were going to punch to 1100. This was it. This was it, baby. Here comes 1120. I think this is just a setup for another slingshot move. And we're going up to 1120. And you look at the monthly. Oh, sorry, that's the weekly. When you look at the monthly, I know I'm spending a lot of time on. Oh, no. Uh-oh. I can't figure out how to delete these. There we go. It's working. So when you look at the monthly, no. I wanted to get rid of that, please. Oh, there we go. Right. From the high to the low of this whole move, we're bouncing. The 50% retracement is 1126. We've already taken out 1017. So we're in this zone where we're going higher. I think we got to hit 1120 on the this 50% retracement on the S&P. I just think it's a fait accompli. All right, let's get back to the charts. So look at this euro dollar. I mean, how am I supposed to tell you to be short this? Last night I could justify saying it, but this thing is gone like the wind. And when you look at the channel lines we got, not many. I mean, this one's broken out, right? Just about stalled there. This one's broken out. Next one I got, unbelievably, is something like that. To the moon. Help me. I mean, look at that. Gone. That's 155. But, this euro dollar, when you look at it over 150, this is a big breakout. Look at this, all this consolidation. We finally closed higher. How am I supposed to tell you to be shorted? I can't. Even the euro yen. I mean, we take a look at some of these carry trades breaking out. Euro yen, it's rallied 30 pips into the close. Oh my goodness, look at the Aussie. Listen to Global FX Radio today. I was buying that whole pullback. Aussie dollars just rallied almost 40 pips into the close. Gotta love it. Dollar yen still looks good. Flagging. As long as dollar yen doesn't close below 90, or really even this low here, 89.20, dollar yen looks good. Going higher. Channel up. 10, 20, 30 are crossing nicely. We bought that pullback gorgeous last night. It was one of our few good trades. It's terrible. Sterling is gone like the wind. I mean, this baby is broken out. As much as I want to be short it, people, how can you be short this chart? I can justify last night. This thing will pull back all the way to 164, and it'll still be long. I'd say any pullback down to 165. But I think you got to be long, people. Long and strong, I'd say easy, the September high of 167.30. It's only another 130 pips. I'm not necessarily looking for an explosion, though I think it's possible. But if you're a channel trader, how can you not be long this thing? It's busting out to the moon. Fly me to the freaking moon. It's gone. Like the wind. Euro sterling, as much as I liked it yesterday, now I think it's going lower. Busted. Say we're going to take out 90, absolutely. I'm short it right now. Almost got to that 95. Looks terrible. Terrible. That big down day, remember last week? Remember the YouTube? You've been watching them? We nailed that. Euro sterling was beautiful, and we're going to get another leg down now. Easy down to, I think we retest 90 for sure. But we breached that. I'd say back maybe 89, 80. Not looking for that much. Certainly today's high, but this looks like it's going to melt down. Euro yen, gone. Like the wind, broken out, even rallying into the close. I think euro yen looks like it's gone. Going, gone, and on its way up. Up. Oof. Another 150 pips, 200. Sterling yen, another one. Gone. Like the wind. To the moon, Alice. Look at this move in sterling yen. Never even ticked lower last night. And we had a doji. Once you take out these levels, though, that 49.50, that was it. As far as where can it go, well, I think I got to do a Fibonacci on this one. There's no channel line, really. And we're at the 50. We're going to the golden. If euro sterling comes in, this baby go to 154. And I can see cable rallying and dollar yen rallying, and that'll get you there. Absolutely get you there. Let's look at this Aussie dollar, by the way. Again, look at this. It's going up. And China, by the way, big number tonight. GDP coming out 10 p.m. Eastern. If this number's good, I think I'm looking for like 9%, I think. You're looking for 9%. Hang on. But if this number comes out good, 9%, yeah. Gone. Aussie, 94. Certainly 93.50. Certainly taking that out, but we might bar up. This baby really might bar up. Listen, it's worked off some of this oversold nature, It's futzed around now, ready for another move up. New Zealand also. Look how good this baby looks. Gone. Like the wind. I liked him yesterday on the short side. I like him on the long side now. I'm sorry, people, I know. But I think it would be a disservice to you that I'd be so stubborn that I can't look at a chart and say, I'm dead wrong. This thing's going up. We got to buy the pullback, baby. Dick Beauvais, you could take a hike, Dick. Shove it, where. Not happening. Dollar, at least we're going to have a rally. Sell off, the dollar. And then I think we look for dollar count also looks, shooting star, reversal. I think, we continue. Could we reverse tonight? Sure. Are we going lower in the dollar? Absolutely, I think so. Dick Beauvais again. Send the check in the mail. And again, any question about my premium service, feel free to email me at info, I-N-F-O, at globalfxradio.com. Remember, you can do a premium Twitter service just for an account with FXCM through Global. Andrew Spanton. Oh, baby. Global FX Radio. The only voice you will ever need, baby. He loves to make you money.